everybody! Today we're going to learn all about worm farming. So let's get started. Worms are great at recycling nutrients. You can feed them all your old food scraps, like decaying vegetables and fruits. They're called detritivores. They also need grit from eggshells or sand. This helps them grind up their food. A lip-like flap pulls the food into their mouth and then into their esophagus. From there, the food is stored in the worm's crop and then off to the gizzard for some grinding. This little ring-like structure right here is called the clitellum. It's used by worms for reproduction. After that, the food keeps going down the intestines until you get to the end, and this is where the food exits out the worm's anus. It's the poop, the nutritious poop. Well, this is the worm farm. This is where they live. When you open the lid, you'll find them at the top, right underneath the worm blanket. They crawl toward the surface, where all the goodies are placed. Dinner time! Don't forget, add paper in small pieces or some newspaper to hold moisture in the soil and add grit to their meal. If you look closely under the worm blanket, you can see small brown cocoons. These hold little baby worms that will be hatching soon. This is a giant worm ball. It's how worms communicate. In fact, worms swarm and move in herds when they travel together through the soil, just like some other animals. Now for the best part, the worm tea or worm pea. It comes out the bottom of your worm farm. It is the best organic fertilizer high in nitrogen and phosphorus, and it won't burn your plants. Just add 1 ounce to a couple of quarts of water. You can't make a mistake. Mix it up. And then feed your plants about once a week. This nutrient-rich soil is called worm castings or worm poo. It's found in the bottom tray. Just take a little of this and sprinkle it around the top of some of your more mature plants. It works the same as the worm pea to fertilize the roots. Well, they don't have eyes or lungs or a furry coat, but worms sure do make fun pets. And they're great for the environment.
Scrolling through my
Thanks for watching.
Oh no.